Hi, here we are at the Chrome Music Lab Kandinsky page, and this is a page where you're going to get to create some music with some shapes. And it's called Kandinsky because that's the last name of an artist. His name was Vasily Kandinsky, and he was a Russian painter, and he did a lot of art with shapes and lines and color. And that's what this site does. It uses shapes and lines and color, but it adds some sound, some music to that. So we're going to do some shapes and lines and colors. I'm going to start with just that shape there. And maybe I'll make a line like that. The higher you go, if you make a shape up here, it makes a higher sound. If you make one down here, it makes a lower sound. And maybe I'll do a swoopy there. Maybe I'll try to make a square. Let's see what happens. That's sort of a square, I guess. And let's make a triangle over here. And maybe we'll make a blobby thing down here. I hope you could hear those different sounds. When I push play, it's going to go from this side of the page over this way and play the things along. Let's hear what it sounds like. If I add something under here, maybe something else under there. Ooh, that was a little sound. It's going to play these things at kind of the same time. If I want to get rid, well, let's do this first. You go to these colors and plays different kinds of sounds. This one. That's kind of a cool sound. Let's try the pink and purple. I think I hear a xylophone in that one. And if you don't really like the sound, you can erase them here. They go backwards from the very last thing that you did to the very first thing that you did. And usually if you make a big enough blobby circle thing, it makes a little face like that. Let's see if it makes the sound again. I like it. Oh, stop now. And then I can just add another. Ooh. Let's make another triangle-y thing. Oh, I like that sound. Maybe I'll make a square over here. And maybe a little baby triangle down here. Oop, oop. See what it sounds like? In the blue one. So that's what you can do with some shapes and some color. Have some fun drawing and listening to sounds. Bye.